Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Mr. Jamie. I hope everyone's staying safe and doing well. Mr. Kyle and I wanted to let you know that we're super proud of all the hard work you've been putting into your virtual assignments. Mr. Kyle and myself had the idea of presenting peers to you guys virtually, so you guys can do this at home over the next couple weeks. So we have a peers classroom on Google Classroom. I sent everyone an invite, so if you haven't clicked on the link to join the class, please join it. This week, we're going to send you guys a couple videos about physical bullying. Just wanted to give you guys a few parameters around the class virtually. There won't be any homework assignments. What we do want you to do is just to go over anything we send to you guys with your family at home. But most importantly, we want you to work at your own pace. So like I said, each week we'll send a couple videos out for you guys to do. And if you have any questions at all or anything you want to talk about, please let us know. We're here for you guys. With that said, the last time we met, we talked about handling, teasing, and verbal attacks by other peers. This week we're going to transition into physical bullying. So let's talk about this today. So what is a bully? A bully is someone who gets into fights or threatens assault and assaults people. We've seen bullies everywhere, at school, in the community, and so on. What do bullies do to other kids? Well, we knew that bullies physically attack others. They trip, they hit other people. They verbally attack them by teasing them or making fun of them. They spread rumors or even gossip about them. There's cyber bullies that we see on the internet or through video games. There's even bullies that financially exploit people and steal money from them. There's also bullies that take advantage and steal their homework, for example, or make them do things for them. What's the problem with being a bully? We knew that bullies don't often have good friends. They often get into trouble and sometimes do poorly in school. Why is it a bad idea to be friends or even hang out with a bully? The problem with hanging out with a bully is that you'll get a bad reputation for being a bully. You could get into trouble and people might actually think you're a bully. So bullies come in all shapes and sizes. We want to know, how do you know when someone's an actual bully? So bullies can be boys or girls. We see bullies in school, the community, or even at church or synagogue. But we want to know exactly how you can identify a bully. Well, bullies have a bad reputation, we know that. But what behaviors or actions make someone a bully? Well, there's a lot of different characteristics of bullying that can actually make someone a bully. So bullies verbally tease people in person. They always call them names or name calling. There's the physical aspect of bullying, which is hitting and kicking and pushing and tripping. There's also other ways that people bully, which is they can tell rumors or gossip about you. And there's also cyber bullies that we see online that harass people or make fun of them. The strategies we use for each type of bullying is completely different. Today we're just going to talk about physical bullying. So question, what is physical bullying? Physical bullying includes any physical acts that feel threatening, violent, or a way they try to exploit you. What do physical bullies do to their victims? Well, for example, they throw bits of paper at you, they push and shove you in the hallway, they put a note on your back, they can hit or kick you in the hallway or school, they take your money or personal possessions, they can exploit you by making you do things you don't want to do, they make physical threats or try to intimidate you. So what do most adults tell us to do in response to bullying? A lot of people will tell you to tell an adult if someone is physically bullying you, right? Well, while it's important to get help from adults if you feel threatened or in danger or can't escape the bullying, what could be the problem with telling on a bully for minor offenses like throwing paper at you or even putting a note on your back? Well, we know they won't get in much trouble, and the bully will likely retaliate against you, and this can make it worse. Do these strategies usually work? Telling an adult? Unfortunately, telling an adult can make it worse for the victim in time. The bully may come after us even more, and the bully may not even get in trouble. So while we want you to feel comfortable telling an adult when you're having trouble handling any kind of bullying or any type of bullying, we want to give you some strategies to handle physical bullying in place of just telling an adult. So this week, we will talk about rules for handling physical bullying. So that's all we have for today. Tomorrow, we'll go over the buzzwords and strategies for handling physical bullying. If If you guys have any questions, please email Mr. Kyle and myself. We'll be here and available for you guys. Thanks, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.